Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to learn about Python identifiers. So Python identifiers are names used to identify a particular variable, function, class, module or other objects in Python. An identifier can start with a letter A to Z, or it can start from smaller case a to Z, or it can start with a underscore followed by 0 or more letters, and the letter can be either from A to Z or any digit. Now Python does not allow punctuation characters such as @ or $sign and the percentage sign while declaring any variable or any class or any module or in the function. Not in the function, any function name. So Python is a case sensitive programming language, and you have to note that when you are declaring any variable or when you are declaring any function, you have to make sure that the function name that you have declared is same as when you are calling that function. So for example, in Python, capital Atul is not equal to smaller case Atul, or even a single capital letter ATUL is not equal to ATUL. So these two are completely different. That's why it's very important to note that Python is a case sensitive language. So let's take an example. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to declare a simple variable, say age equal to 25. Okay, and then again I'm gonna declare a variable age equal to 35. Now if I'm going to run this, you will see that it has been executed, and in memory you have two different variables, the age, this one, and then you have a age, this one. Now if I print this age, you will see that you have 25 which is holded in this variable age, while if I print the another age in which A is capital, you will see that you have 35 over here. Although in our natural language we can say that both of these two variables are similar because it means the same thing, but in Python this age in a smaller case and this age where the first letter of the variable is in capital is completely different, and the memory allocation for these two variables is different. So now if you talk about the naming convention of Python identifiers, then you have to note that the Python class name starts with an uppercase letter and all other identifiers start with a lowercase letter. So as a basic rule, you have to note that whenever you are declaring any variable or whenever you are declaring anything apart from a class name, then you should use lowercase letter. Now the second point is that the starting of an identifier with a single leading underscore indicates that the identifier is a private identifier, and we are going to discuss about this private identifier in our future videos. The third point is that the starting an identifier with the two leading underscores indicates a strongly private identifier. And the last point that we have to note that is that the identifier also ends with two trailing underscore, then that identifier is a language defined special name, which we will discuss in our future videos. So that's it for this video. In our next video, we are going to learn about the reserved words in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.